Hello, this is part 3 of my series of videos fitting the SIMMCONN NewScope6 VGA kit to a HP8563E Spectrum analyzer. This is actually doing the work on the A2 processor board. First of all, I'm going to fit an 18 pin dual line socket to on top of the U205 IC. I've marked up all the applicable integrated circuits I've got to actually work on, so I'm going to take this bit of masking tape off. Well, first of all, I should have put the anti-static strap on, so I'll pause the video and do that. Welcome back. I've put my anti-static strap on. First of all, I'm working with a Mantis Elite microscope, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. First of all, I've got to make sure the notch is at the same end as the actual chip. I'll place the chip so that the pins are bang on the centre. I'm just going to move the board so I can actually move the board along. Just check the just pause the video slightly. I'm going to solder pin 1 of the IC U205 on the board, just so I make sure everything's lined up properly. This is being done in the microscope. Now I'm going to move it to pin 9. Do the same there. Again, under the microscope. Now I'm going to turn the board over and do the other 2 diagonal pins. I'll pause the video for now. Now I'm soldering pin 10 to 18 of the 18 pin socket. making sure that the pin on the IC lead is actually heated at the same time. I'm going to pause the video and turn the board around to do the other side. Continuing soldering the pins to 8 on the other side of the board, of the chip rather. That's all the pins soldered on the IC205.